Welcome back. Let's talk about functional isomerism. Isomers with same molecular formula but they belong to different classes, that is, they possess different functional group. We call them functional isomers, and the phenomenon is called as functional isomerism. For example, these two molecules have the same molecular formula of C3H6O. The first molecule contains a ketonic group while the other contains an aldehyde group. So they have the same molecular formula but belong to different classes of compounds. So these are functional isomers. Now the compounds that can show such isomerism include a number of pairs. The first pair is alcohols and ethers. The two molecules have same molecular formula but first molecule is an alcohol while the other is an ether. So they have different functional groups, that is, belong to different classes, so they are functional isomers. In the same way, we have the two cyclic molecules. The first one contains again an alcoholic group while the other contains an ether functionality, so these are also functional isomers since they possess same molecular formula. The second pair is aldehydes and ketones, as talked about earlier also. So the two molecules do have same molecular formula, but the first one is a ketone while the other is an aldehyde. So they are also functional isomers. Next, we have carboxylic acids and esters. As you see in these two molecules, they differ only in functionality. That is, the first one is a carboxylic functionality while the other one is an ester functionality. In the same way, we have another pair, that is cyanides and isocyanides. As you see, the first molecule contains CN functionality while the other contains NC functionality, that is isocyanide. Both have same molecular formula but they differ only in functional group. So they are functional isomers. Next, nitro and nitrites. First molecule is a nitro compound because the alkyl chain is attached to the nitrogen of NO2 group, while as in the next, the alkyl chain is attached to the oxygen of NO2 group, so it's a nitrite. Both have same molecular formula but belong to different classes, so they are functional isomers. Now we have another pair, that's alkynes and dienes. So these two compounds have same molecular formula but they differ only in functionality. As you see, first molecule is an alkyne while the another is a diene. So that's a double bonded functionality. Clearly these are functional isomers. So this was all about functional isomerism and the identification of the pairs of compounds that can show such isomerism. Now I'm asking you to comment on the isomeric nature of A type of compounds and B type of compounds. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.